Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 5 minutes to clear capacitors. Once done, remove the lower kick panel and the visible 10 mm bolts holding the lower dash trim. You need clear access now, so label every electrical connector and take close photos. This prevents mistakes later. Work methodically from the passenger side toward the center, keeping fasteners grouped. Make sure to have trim tools and a small container for screws before you continue. You'll remove the instrument cluster and surrounding 8 mm bolts next. Once those are out, carefully unclip the HVAC control panel and route its cables through the opening. As you pull the dash forward, release the many wiring harnesses. Depress each clip fully before tugging to avoid broken tabs. Support the dash edge with one hand or a stand because it can be heavy and awkward. If you have someone to help, have them steady the opposite side while you disconnect the final connectors. To finish, inspect every harness and mounting tab for damage and replace any broken clips before reinstallation. This ensures a solid fit. Reassemble by reversing steps. Align the dash, reconnect labeled plugs, tighten bolts, reinstall trim, then reconnect the battery last. If the dash won't seat properly, check for overlooked bolts, a misrouted wire, or a tightened bracket. Loosen suspect fasteners slightly, reseat the dash, then red-iron. One key troubleshooting tip. If a gauge or light
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.